Hi students, in this video I'm going to show you how you can edit some of your pictures to make your book bento and your book bento project even more exciting, and you can get some nice photo editing skills. So the website that you can use to remove backgrounds from pictures is a free website called Remove.bg, like background, and it's remove.bg, and I have it linked on this slideshow for you. And this tutorial is also there, so hopefully that's how you got here. But this website's really easy to use, and there's a couple of ways that you can use this. So as a general tip, if you are searching for images, whenever you do a search, like if I'm searching on Google and I want to insert an image, and I'll search the web, and I want to say dog. If I add the letters PNG, PNG basically means that we're looking for a picture that automatically has the background removed. Now, some of them might say that they're a PNG and they're not, but that's a type of image where the background should be removed already. So that's one really quick way that you can do this. And if I see this cute little dog here and I want to add it, I would just insert it, and it should already have a transparent background, meaning that there's no background colors or trees or anything there. But every now and then you might come across a picture that you really want to use, and perhaps you did a PNG search and you can't find one that you want, or you come across a picture that you really want to use, but you want to get rid of that background so it looks a little bit more like some of these examples that we see here, where it's just the book, or it's just the person, or even just some of these objects. So if that's what you would like to do, the first thing is to make sure that you're using one of the approved BCSE image websites. And this one here is an example of one that you can use. It's called Pixabay. So what I'm going to look for is a dog. All right. So here's all kinds of dogs. You might even be able to search for PNGs on this website too. So this is pretty hilarious. I kind of like this pug here in a blanket. So that's funny. Whenever I get here and I like this image and I find the one that I want to add to my project, you have some options. All right, so I can right click on your Chromebook. It's a different keyboard shortcut, but you'll save the picture. You're going to save it on your Chromebook, or I could just do free download, and it just downloads it here, and I just click download again. All right, say that you're not a robot. And then you do have to do this whole verification thing. So we're looking for bridges. And then you download it. It won't make you do that every time, by the way, just every now and then. All right, so once it's downloaded, I have it here. And I like to keep it across the bottom of my Chrome. Just, you'll see here in a second why. So if I have Remove Background pulled up here on my other tab, all I'm going to do is drag and drop right here. If I had saved this on my Chromebook, I could also do Upload Image. And then I can look on my Chromebook and find where that picture is saved, and it's usually on your downloads. But since I kept this here, I'm going to save myself a little bit of time in clicking, and I'm just going to drag and drop. And it takes it a second here. And there we go. See, it removed the background, and now I just have my pug in a blanket. So whenever I'm done with this, if I need to edit this, because it's using smart technology here, and sometimes that doesn't always get 100% right. If I wanted to edit this, maybe remove part of this blanket, if I click edit, then I can even add backgrounds if I want, but we wanted to remove it, so I don't know if you'll use that. But I could also use my little blurring tool here and blur parts of it, and I can also touch up. So it actually does look like there's a little bit of grass there that shouldn't be a part of this. So I'm going to click erase and restore. And I'm going to click, it's set on erase. If I wanted to restore something, maybe it eliminated part of the person's face or whatever you're adding. But if I just want to get rid of that little part, all right. And next thing I'm going to do is click download and download image. Now, if I had made this and I didn't need to edit this, the next thing I could do is just click download here, or I can always right click and copy it so I don't have to save it onto my Chromebook, which I'm going to do that here in this example. So if I click copy image and I come back here to my Google slide and I right click, or if you want to use keyboard shortcuts, it's Control V, or I can drag and drop like I did a few minutes ago. We're just going to add in the little pug here. All right. And there we go. I can resize it, and now I have that lovely little guy here. on my bento slideshow. So hopefully that has been helpful. And if you have questions, we are here to help you. Have fun.